Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add announcement bar in your Shopify theme. Let's get started. So we're on our theme right now. Let's click on customize right here. And then from in there, it will load the Shopify editor. Now on the Shopify editor that will open, as you can see on default right here, we have here an announcement bar. As you can see, this is the name of that. You can change the color scheme as well as social media icons that you have right here. But if you want a more animated announcement bar, then what you can do is you can exit your Shopify editor, then open a new tab and search in here for apps at Shopify.com. Now on this app that open, let's just search in here for announcement bar. So search for that. And then in here, you should be able to see some search results. Like for example, this essential announcement bar, this page fly, this attract banners, as well as this Yeps announcement bar and all of these things right here. So I actually recommend you to choose the ones that has a free plan or those that are already free itself. So for this, free is actually better than free plan. So let's choose this one, which is the essential announcement bar. Now click on the install button right here and then this will install the application on your actual store. But first, it will ask for access in order to successfully integrate this application to your store. So let's head over and click on the install button right here, and as you can see, it will install itself. Now this is what the dashboard of that application looks like. What we can do is we can head over and click on this new announcement, and then it should be able to look like this. You can choose a simple announcement, running line announcement, just like this, or a multiple rotating announcement. So for me, I'll choose this running line because it's more attractive, and you can name it, and you can also put in here a title. Like for example, let's say something like welcome, enjoy 20% discount. So let's say something like that. And you can actually adjust animation speed just like this. And you can also add in here a call to action button that says something. And the link is already your Shopify store in here. So you can also add translation. But for now, let's continue to design. And in here, it's added on the top page. And we have here a color background. Let's choose a color that we like. For example, let's choose blue right here. And in here, you can also choose the border color as well as typography. So for this one, let's choose white for this. And then once you have done that, just head over and save this progress that you have. And then after that, click on this right here. We have now added this one. So let's continue to design, then continue to placement. And on this placement, let's add this on every page. You can also add this to specific pages already. But for me, I'll add this to everything. Now click on publish right here in order to publish this to your store. Now, once you have done this, just head over and click on activate. And then this will open your Shopify editor, wherein you should be able to see the app embeds that will open in your Shopify. So in here, let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. And here comes the app embeds. Make sure that this one is turned on. Now click on save. And as you can see, our banner has already been added to our actual Shopify store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.